Hey YouTube, I'm back again here. Got the tool out, getting ready to get these bolts undone. Unfortunately, since this car is so tight fitting, it's kind of hard to get up in here and shoot this video. And again, I don't have a stand, so I'm doing this one-handed, so bear with me if I don't keep you in frame as I'm trying to do this here. That's loose there, so we're gonna flip back here. Let's get up here on this one here and break it loose. All right, I got 2 more bolts to go. So give me a few minutes and I will be back after I get these 2 bolts out and show you how it gets stowed away. All right, I'm back. I've got the bolts out here. All we got to do now is we got to lift this thing up just like so in the front, pull it out from the back, and we're going to come back here and it's going to go in these little slots right back here. The other day, I keep leather gloves in here because this metal gets hot. So it goes in that spot there, and then it's kind of, there's supposed to be a lever here that pins it, but unfortunately this one does not have it. So I'm going to see if I can set you guys up right there and bear with me, I didn't get this one all the way out. This top is very hot. Should have grabbed my gloves, but that's all right. It is a one-man job, as you can see. And there she is, all stowed away in the back. What's neat about it is, if you do need to haul some stuff, you still have access to anything in the back here. Whenever I do pull the top off, put my visors back here, I do flip up my seats because that leather gets extremely hot. So to flip these seats up, you just got a little lever right there to do so. So here in a few minutes, I'm going to go out, take a little drive with the top off. I have replaced my weather stripping, and unfortunately, one of Corvette Central's weather stripping, and it's starting to already kind of give me some bad spots here or there, unfortunately. You know, they just don't make stuff like they used to. I've still got to put this piece on. I just haven't done it yet. It is shrunk, as you can see, because it used to connect here in this corner. So with that, hope you enjoyed the video and stay tuned for more. I'll see you on the flip side.